Hi, once again, welcome to Money Hunt. Today, I'd like to show you how you can get $1 per minute to earn money on incoming calls by receiving phone calls. Yes, this video is going to be awesome because I'm going to introduce a new site and you just don't I'm sure you haven't heard about it right now. So this is really awesome. You just receive calls and talk to someone and give some advice and something like that, and simple answer some questions, and you are going to get money for that. But you have to have some requirements there. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you direct to the site's homepage. The site I'm talking about today is called OVO. Yes, this is ovvio.co. So this is the address OVO, and you can see that this is right now in a beta release. So this site is really new and the concept is really awesome. You haven't heard about it right now. So this is a really interesting concept, is that you just ask questions. So there are lots of sites available to for like accept written questions to you, and you just somebody sees that and answer that and you get the answer. That is the thing. But what about if instant reactions, instant reply, when what you just want to have an answer right now? What about that? So this is where this site comes in, and you can see that you just go on to this website. They have really vast majority of categories that peoples can work with this website. So all the peoples around the world can ask any questions online just by on call and to the experts around the world and get a perfect answer, instant answer for it. And that is what it is, and that is what it is. The people all around the world want to give money for that, and experts can earn money from it. So you know the concept, you understand the concept is. So we have to understand that if we have an expertise on something, we do have some expertise, right? I'm going to show you how easy it is. You just simply build your profile and become an expert on something that is going to earn money on OVO. So this is it, guys. You just simply, if you just go on to this website, and you can go browse through the process, how it works. But I already explained it, how it's work. But people, you just simply go down below, and you can see that there is a seeker and be giver. So just be a giver, share your knowledge. This is the thing you need. You just simply click on it. It will show you a simple form, and you just insert your name, email, phone number, password, and hit the register button, and boom, you are registered. Then they're going to ask you some basic profile questions to build up your profile, so expertise profile, so people can find you and people can know you at a glance. What is your expertise, what type of skills you have, that people can ask about, and you can get their answers, so you can give their answers. So simply, this is the concept. You just simply go on and watch it. If I just, for example, you can see that who is online, see who is online. So if I click on this link, it will load this page, and you can see this page is showing you all the experts right now to answer your questions. So see, this is it, guys. You just simply see that people are already around the world joining it. This is going to be a real buzz right now. So simple. The more answers you give, the more rating and review you will get. And you can see this site is very much new, so people don't having any 5-star reviews right now. So this is the best time to enter into this type of sites, and you will get your place solid. So simply, you just see that people's having some expertise, that their expertise or skills are showing there below their name, and you can ask related questions about their expert subject. So this is it, guys. You can see that there are like free sessions there. People are giving free sessions. So obviously, if you want to build a new profile, you have to give free sessions. You cannot just ask for money right away. So if you just having some ratings, then you can just rate yourself to get like $1 or $5 or even more money per minute of your call. So simply, you can see people are really interested, people are really jumping back into the site to earn a decent amount of money. So this opportunity is limitless. This is very new site, so you just simple register it by clicking the be giver button and fill the form and hit register and confirm your email and phone number, and they will send you a code, and then you will go back to the dashboard like this. So after you register, you will see it will show the dashboard like this, and you have to be online. So you can see this is the thing, you have to be online to receive calls. So how you can be online? After you register, you can see they have an app on Google Play. You just simply go on to this app and download these apps to your mobile phone and register and log in there, and that way you will be always online to receive people's phone. That is the main thing. So if you just go on to the menu sections and my Ovio account, click on my Ovio account and then click on money and banking here, and you can see that there are two profiles, giver and seeker. So you can ask people questions by giving them money, or also you can earn money by answering people to be a giver or just to be an expert. So that is it, guys. All the settings, all the incomes are in the same dashboard. So you can see you can just earn money here, and as it's a new account, it's all zero, but you can get paid when you have earnings. You can get paid by Wise and Stripe. So simply you just create Stripe is also a really good options to get paid if you have a credit card, and so you can just go on and ask for payout on your credit card or debit card. And also if you just want it to directly send it to your bank accounts, you can simply use Wise. Wise is a very good and worldwide known exchange site that can simply, it will send it to your bank account. So simple is that. This is the earning process of it, and this, as this is a very new site, they are just having two options, payout options, and the near future they're going to add more. But how we can build your giver profile? So you just click on this menu section and click on my giver profile. That will load the giver profile, and I have just, for example, set it my name. You can change everything here, and you can see I have picked up some topics here like family, money, investing, relationship, freelance, and something like that. But you can obviously, you can just let me show, you can set the profile target, how many categories you can work with. So if you just simply click on edit profile, you can change the name, you can change your country, and you can see that they're priced in dollar per minute. So how you can ask for any money, any amount depending on your skills. So simply just try to be reasonable. Obviously you cannot ask like $1,000 per minute. It's unethical, it's not possible. So simply just choose the rate it's comfortable with, and it's a reasonable rate, and then you will get more calls for it. So how you add your expertise? You can see this is a field add expertise button. So just click on it, and you can see they have a huge amount of categories, and every person's have some abilities to work here. They have some categories. If you have a degree on any subjects, you can just work with, you can just find any topic here matching your skills, matching your knowledge, your expertise. So simply just go on, just you can see, you can just give people's advice about relationship, dating, and something like that. And also you can, if you just a pet owner, that's obviously many people are, you can give pets advice to people's and pet care consultations running in. So you just simply, that if you just work in art and entertainment, answers to people's questions around this. You can work with beauty, you can work with business and finance, culture and society, education, fashion, food, drinks, health and wellness, home, garden, information technology, investment, legal, news, science, sports, transport, travel. You see, this is a huge category that everyone will find their skills there, that you can provide your expertise, that you can provide your answers to your people's questions. So simple is that. Just set your expertise here and build your profile and be online on your Android phone, obviously, so that people can find you on this page. You see who is online. People always want to see who is online, and then when this page loads, your ads or your profile will show up right here, and people will be able to call you to ask questions, and you can give answers and earn money. So this is a new sites. You can opportunity is limitless. You just go on right away, create your account, and be on the buzz. You just simply go on. When these sites will properly totally launched and properly run it, then it will be a real boom for you, and you will be on ahead of others to earn a decent amount of money and get more eye to your profile, so that you can get more money on it. So this is it, guys. You can just I just told you $1 per minute. It's very minimum you can earn. What if you are a doctor, if you are an engineer, would you expect $1? You can just expect $5, $10 per minute of your consultations. Who doesn't want to talk to a real doctor? So if you are a doctor, you can ask for like $5, $10 per minute of your consultations. That's you see the opportunities here. If you you can take it as a part-time job here. So simple as that, after your regular job. So this is the thing, is you can earn a decent amount of money every month by using this website. So if you're liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.